Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to see Spotify Wrapped. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply first update the application itself. So go to a Play Store, then open Spotify. Now if you have an update over here, just simply complete the update process and then open the application. And let's say if you are still not able to see it, just simply go to a browser and just simply type in Spotify Wrapped, and over here you should find a new website. Click on the first option. Now wait for a few seconds over here. Right over here you will find the Wrapped option, and now just simply scroll down and click on this option which says click here for your 2023 Wrapped. Click on that option and it should directly open your Spotify, and in there the Wrapped option should appear in front of you. So now I currently don't have any playlists, so it's not showing anything, but if you just cancel out, you will find that the Wrapped option will be right over here at the top. So here is the podcast, here will be the Wrapped option. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do not subscribe to our channel, and take care.